What is the primary function of cumin in cooking? The answer is to add warmth and depth to dishes. Which herb is commonly used in Italian cuisine to flavor pasta dishes? The answer is basil. What is the name of the popular spice blend that includes cumin, coriander, and turmeric? The answer is curry powder. Which spice is commonly used in Middle Eastern cuisine to flavor kebabs? The answer is sumac. What is the primary function of thyme in cooking? The answer is to add a savory and slightly minty flavor to dishes. Which herb is commonly used in Mexican cuisine to flavor tacos? The answer is cilantro. What is the name of the popular spice blend that includes cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves? The answer is garam masala. Which spice is commonly used in Indian cuisine to flavor curries? The answer is turmeric. What is the primary function of rosemary in cooking? The answer is to add a piney and herbaceous flavor to dishes. Which spice blend is commonly used in Chinese cuisine to flavor stir-fries? The answer is 5-spice powder.
If you enjoyed this quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your score below.